So let's talk about organizing your classwork tab to help your workflow and your students' workflow as they're accessing Google Classroom. So on the classwork tab, you'll organize that by creating topics. So using the create button, you click create and click topic. And you can, depending upon the grade level you teach, the students you have, your topics will vary wildly. You may have a topic that is for each unit of study. You may have a topic if you're in primary or elementary grade teacher. You may have topics that are just subject areas. So we'll have a mathematics topic, and I'll create another topic, and we'll call that science. So I now have the science and mathematics topic. I can drag and drop classwork. I can drag and drop the topic. So if I need to rearrange them, I can just simply click and drag and rearrange them. Once I add content to those topics, I can rearrange those as well. And in our next video, we'll talk about how to create assignments and other options for your classroom to populate the topics in your classwork page for students.